Hello, in this video we are going to discuss about this magic hexagon which helps us learn the basic trigonometric identities very quickly. Okay, in this hexagon we will be able to identify the reciprocal identity, we will be able to recall the quotient identity, we will be able to memorize product identity, square identity from the same hexagon. With this hexagon we will be able to learn reciprocal, quotient, product, square identity with one hexagon. So this video is going to be very beneficial to all those learners who are trying to master trigonometric skills. Friends, this video has been brought to you with many hard work. I have done a various research. So this video, please do not skip, watch till the end, and don't forget to like, share and subscribe my channel. Okay, so let's learn how to set up this magical hexagon for the very first time. Okay, so after then we are going to check all these things here. Okay, so I have a hexagon here, and in the middle I'm going to write 1. Okay, so if I see, this will be my center place. Now this will be my center place. Okay, and from here I will say right and the left. Okay, right and the left. On the right hand side, write all those identities which begins with C. So the identities beginning with C are cos, cot and cosec. Okay, so on the right hand side we wrote. Now in the left hand side we are going to write sine, tan and sec. Okay, sine, tan and sec. Let's do it. Okay, now our magic hexagon is ready, and this is going to give us the various identities. So first of all, let's check how the reciprocal identity is found from this hexagon. So for reciprocal identities, you have to just check the opposite corner. Okay, so the opposite corner is going to give you the reciprocal identities, like tan theta equal to 1 upon cot theta, 1 divided by cot theta. Similarly, sec theta equal to 1 upon cos theta, and sin theta equal to 1 upon cosec theta, cot theta equal to 1 upon tan theta, cos theta equal to 1 upon sec theta. Like this, we are going to get the reciprocal identities. I'm also going to write the reciprocal identity in my page, so you are also going to do that. Okay, pause the video and do it. First of all, I'm writing the reciprocal identities, and my first reciprocal identity is tan theta equal to 1 upon cot theta, and sec theta, that is equal to 1 upon cos theta, and sin theta, that is equal to 1 upon cosec theta. So for reciprocal identity, we just check the trigonometric ratio on the opposite corner. So whatever is in the opposite corner, that will be your reciprocal ratio. Okay, like this. Check. I have tan theta equal to 1 upon cot theta. Okay, sec theta equal to 1 upon cos theta, and sin theta equal to 1 upon cosec theta. I believe you understood now. Now let's check what will be the quotient identity. Quotient. Okay, so quotient identity, what we have to do, we just need to check. This is the trick. Okay, this one opposite, this is opposite corner. Okay, opposite corner. And for this quotient identity, the trick is clockwise or anti-clockwise. Friends, quotient means it is the result of division. So now let's check here. Okay, with the first, if I say tan theta, okay, so tan theta, let me write tan theta here. Tan theta equal to, so going clockwise I get sin theta upon cos theta. So it will be sin theta upon cos theta, and tan theta is also equal to, going counterclockwise, anti-clockwise, so tan theta equal to sec theta by cosec theta. It will be sec theta by cosec theta. It will be sec theta by cosec theta. Friends, I think you understood. Similarly, you can say that cos theta. Okay, so cos theta you can write like this. cos theta equal to sin theta upon tan theta. See, cos theta is equal to sin theta upon tan theta. That thing I have written, cos theta equal to sin theta upon tan theta. You understood? Now let's check. From the same hexagon, we can take out the product identity. Okay. So product identity, what you have to do is, for example, here we have to say that product identity, its trick is before into after. Okay, before into after. So that means, how to understand is, if I am going to say sin theta is in the product form, so sin theta equal to before means cos theta into after means after the sin there is tan. Okay, so cos theta into tan theta is sin theta. Understood? Similarly, if I am going to say cos theta, that will be sin theta into cot theta. So I'm going to write here that before into after. So here, if I check cos theta, so cos theta, my cos theta is, the before one is cot theta into my after one is sin theta. Okay, so sin theta. So hence cos theta equal to cot theta into sin theta. I believe you understood this. Now let's check what will be the square identity. Okay, square identity. So this one you have to check. Okay, you have to check the sum of the square at the top, okay, will be equal to the square of the bottom one. So keep in mind, the sum of the square of the top is equal to the square of the bottom. So how we go? Like this we go like this we go like this. Okay, so sum of the top will be equal to the square of bottom. So here I can see that we always go like this. Okay, we go like this. Don't forget, this is our root. Okay, so it will be sin square theta plus cos square theta equal to 1 square, that means 1. So square identity, its trick is square sum at top equal to square at bottom. Okay, so square sum at the top, here we can see that sin square, okay, sin square theta plus cos square theta. So the bottom we get 1 square, that is 1. So sin square theta plus cos square theta equal to 1. And the next one, let's check tan square theta plus 1. Tan square theta plus 1 equal to sec square theta. Okay, so these are at the top, tan and 1. These are at the top and sec is in the bottom. So tan square theta plus 1 equal to sec square theta. So we can say that tan square theta plus 1 is equal to sec square theta. Similarly, one more example, I can say now here 1 plus cot square theta equal to cosec square theta. 1 plus cot square theta equal to cosec square theta. Right? Check, 1 plus cot square theta equal to cosec square theta. Friends, now I'm sure that you are able to memorize these basic trigonometric identities with the help of this magic hexagon. Please don't forget to share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much.